Hey YouTube fam, welcome to our channel. I'm so happy to see you here again. So in today's video we will be making soft layered chapatis. Stay tuned till the end so that you can learn all the steps. Thank you. For this recipe you need wheat flour, sugar, salt, cooking oil, hot water, a basin, a rolling pin, a mixing stick, and a source of heat. You need the mixing stick because the water will be very hot and you don't want to get burnt. The first step is to knead the flour, so you'll be mixing your dry ingredients with hot water. That's why you need the stick as you mix, so because the water is very hot. Once it has cooled down, you can use your hand. Knead the flour until you achieve a smooth texture, then add oil to make your kneaded flour more smooth. Keep adding your cooking oil until your flour has a smooth texture. Then once your kneaded flour is ready, you can go ahead and divide it into small sections that will be rolling to make chapatis as shown above in the video. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you learned something. We appreciate you so much for being in our channel. Kindly subscribe to us and we will see you soon in our next video. Thank you. Bye.